In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Roblox in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you want to do is combine water with fire, which gives you steam, and then steam with fire, which gives you engine, and then engine with steam, which will give you a train. And that's the first thing that we need, so just leave it over here. And then we need to combine earth with wind, which gives you dust, and then dust with earth, which gives you a planet. Now we want to combine planet with fire, which gives you sun, and then sun with fire, which gives you solar, and then solar with a planet, which will give you system. And now system with fire, which gives you a computer, and then computer with the system, which gives you software. Now you want to combine train with software, which will give you a program, okay? And you want to put this on the side, and now combine engine with another engine to get a rocket, and then rocket with a rocket to get a satellite. And now we want to combine a rocket with a train to get a bullet train, and then bullet train with the satellite, which gives you the internet, okay? And then you put that to the side, and you want to create dust plus water, which will give you mud, and then mud plus fire, which gives you brick. Now wind plus fire, we need wind plus fire, which will give you smoke, and then smoke plus smoke gives you cloud. And now if you combine cloud with a brick, you get a castle, okay? And then if you combine castle with the internet, you get Fortnite, okay? And now if you combine Fortnite with the program, this will give you Roblox.